So today we're gonna be talking about choosing a niche that you're interested in. It's gonna be, I try to keep it short, I'm trying to keep these videos so that you won't drag too long and you won't basically get bored, and so you can just move on and look at other things. Basically, I don't want to give you any fluff or anything, so let's get to it. So the niche that I'm in is selling digital products, basically. Some of them are straight up affiliates, some of them have like a network marketing compensation plan, but anything that I can sell that's a digital product that I can just promote online and through social media, through videos like this one, I promote basically. Nothing complicated, you just promote the product, people are interested, they buy it, that's it. That being said, I advise you to get into a niche that you're really interested in. I'm really interested in digital products, learning digitally, mostly learning how to market and how to be a better salesperson, how to sell online, how to neuro-linguistic programming, kind of copywriting, stuff like that. But let's say that you like to crochet, or you're into that kind of niche. That's another niche that you can get into and sell digital products, which is, would be video training on how to do little. I don't know all the names of the things that you can do with that, but I have a lot of friends that do it. So you can create a lot of content on that niche. So it's got to be something that you're interested in, something that you're always looking for new things to not promote, but to create content around. So if you can create content around that, I'm into comic books a lot and into music history. I could easily find a lot of content about comic books and about musical history and stuff like that, especially pop music and stuff like that. So anything that you're interested in, where you cannot just dwell in it and just go deep and find all this content that you can repurpose and put your spin on it, would be great. For a lot of people, for somebody like me, affiliate products that teach a lot of, they teach a new skill. That's what I'm into, mostly digital. Some of the stuff I order books here and there, but mostly digital, where I can just learn everywhere. I can learn on the train, I can learn on the way to work, on the way from work. I can listen to it, I can watch it at home, I can watch it in the living room, I can watch it in the bed, anything. So digital products, that's my niche, and I can find just endless material for me to just dwell into and repurpose, basically. So that's basically it. Find a niche that you're really interested in, that you're already passionate about, and go deep on that and create content to till the end of the world, basically. And in some parts, if you need to, you can credit where it originally came from. So that's it. Get in a niche that you're really interested in, and that's it. See you later.